Hi Shamal, here's some feedback to your assessment kayak to Klemtu. So in the first question, we're talking about Ella's personal journey and the significance of that journey. I like how you use significance to begin the sentence, so I know that you're responding to the question. The significance of the journey is how Ella worked very hard to make her uncle's wish come true and pursue her late uncle's goal. Very nice. Yes, she accomplished what she intended to do because she did, we don't need to, she did honor her dead uncle by kayaking up the coast, spelling, 500 kilometers, and she arrived in time at Klemtu, so preposition, to speak at the meeting to protest against an oil pipeline and oil tanker. Here it's used as an adjective, so we don't need an S. Oil tanker traffic that might cause damage to the environment. Great answer. The film convinced me that these issues are important because everything we get and a healthy life, Maybe what you want to say is everything we need for a healthy life, such as clean air or water and foods that come from the environment, period. New idea. Yeah, be careful with run-on sentences. Not too many ideas and not independent ideas unless you have a clause. So here we're going to have a period. If we do not care about the environment, that means, so we don't need is, that means we will not make the earth, because we're talking about future. So we will not make the earth a good place to live, and we will not be healthy in the future, period. The earth is the only place for humans, period. So you can take out in the space and because the earth. So this one is a little bit less clear than question one. I think you should redo number two to make it clearer. The ideas are there, it's just the structure. So try number two again. Number three, another important theme for me, no S. Careful with singular plural nouns. Another important theme for me in this movie is how amazing family relationships are, and that when family members work together as a team and help each other achieve goals that make life better for all, and memories of other family members who've died. Okay, good. And also, another theme would be memories of other family members who have died. Good answer. All right, so and number three, if I could take a trip, I would. Good grammar structure there. So really just working on number two, working on nouns, and working on sentence structure. Thank you.